Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Crimping .38 special ammunition when your bullets lack a cannelure or crimp groove is a common scenario, especially with many cast, plated, or even some jacketed projectiles. The key to success and safety here lies in understanding the different types of crimps and applying the correct one. The taper crimp. Unlike a roll crimp, which is designed to physically roll the case mouth into a dedicated groove on the bullet, a taper crimp simply reduces the diameter of the case mouth, applying tension to the bullet without deforming the case material inward or into the bullet itself. This distinction is critically important. Attempting a roll crimp on a bullet without a cannelure will invariably lead to issues like deforming the bullet, potentially reducing its diameter, buckling the case, or even creating dangerously high pressures due to insufficient bullet pull or damage to the bullet's bearing surface. The purpose of any crimp is multifaceted. It helps hold the bullet securely in place, preventing setback during recoil in a revolver cylinder or during feeding in a tubular magazine, which while less common for .38 special is still a principle. A proper crimp also ensures consistent ignition by providing adequate resistance for the powder to burn efficiently, building pressure before the bullet starts to move. For bullets without a cannelure, the taper crimp is your go-to solution. Most standard die sets will include a seating die that also performs a taper crimp, or you can purchase a dedicated taper crimp die for enhanced precision. The process is straightforward but requires careful adjustment. First, ensure your bullets are seated to the correct overall length, OAL, according to your chosen load data, without any crimp applied. This is typically done in a separate step or by backing off the crimp function on your seating die. Once the bullet is seated, you'll adjust your taper crimp die. Start by backing the die out significantly, then slowly lower your press ram with a case and bullet, screwing the die down until it just makes contact with the case mouth. From this point, make very small adjustments, typically in quarter-turn increments. Crimp a cartridge, then remove it and inspect the case mouth. You're looking for the case mouth to be straightened out, or to have a very slight, almost imperceptible taper, just enough to securely hold the bullet. A good way to check for sufficient crimp is to measure the outside diameter of the case mouth after crimping. For .38 special, a measurement in the range of 0.373 to 0.375 inches is often a good starting point, though this can vary slightly based on your brass thickness and bullet diameter. Another crucial check is the push test. Firmly press the nose of the crimped cartridge against a sturdy surface, like your workbench. The bullet should not move deeper into the case. You can also perform a pull test using a kinetic bullet puller. A properly crimped bullet should require significant force to extract. The key is to achieve just enough crimp to secure the bullet and ensure reliable ignition without over-crimping. Over-crimping a bullet without a cannelure can cause the case mouth to buckle, deform the bullet, or even swage down the bullet's diameter, reducing accuracy and potentially leading to dangerous pressure spikes or squib loads. Always refer to your reloading manual for specific OALs and any crimp recommendations. Remember, consistency is paramount in reloading. Take your time, make small adjustments, and measure frequently. Once you've found the sweet spot for your taper crimp, you'll be producing safe, reliable, and accurate ammunition with those cannelure-less bullets. Thank you for watching. And please remember to like and subscribe for more reloading tips and tricks.